All right, Tesla fam, today we're answering a common question. Can you charge a Tesla using a regular household outlet? Let's break it down. Step 1. Yes, but it's slow. Yes, you can charge a Tesla using a standard 120-volt household outlet, also called level 1 charging, but it's the slowest option available. You'll get around 3 to 5 miles of range per hour, meaning a full charge can take over 24 hours, depending on your Tesla model. Step 2. What you need to charge with a regular outlet, you'll need Tesla Mobile Connector, comes with your car. Standard 120 volts outlet, NEMA 515 plug. Just plug it into your regular wall outlet, connect it to your car, and charging will start automatically. Step 3. When is level 1 charging useful? Level 1 charging is not ideal for daily driving, but it works in some cases, topping up overnight if you drive short distances, using it as a backup when no faster charger is available, charging while parked for long periods, vacation homes, rentals, etc. Step 4. Faster home charging options. If you want faster charging at home, consider 240-volt NEMA 1450 outlet level 2 charging, adds 20 to 30 miles per hour. Tesla wall connector adds 44 plus miles per hour. Public superchargers can charge up to 200 plus miles in 15 minutes. Conclusion: a regular household outlet can charge a Tesla, but it's very slow. For daily use, a level 2 charger or Tesla wall connector is a much better option. Want to upgrade your home charging setup? Check out the link in the description.